Greetings, Ascended Nation. So I'm coming to you with a video. Okay, if you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I greatly and truly appreciate it. So I'm coming to you all with a dream download that I feel comfortable enough to share now. Okay, when I first initially um got this dream download, which was January 25th, 2023. I didn't feel too comfortable with sharing it then. Okay, my spirit was kind of telling me to wait. Okay, and I see why now. So I've been seeing a lot of in which all of us have, but we've been seeing a lot of talk and so forth and so on when it pertains to um the drones, okay, like the drones, the flying objects, so forth and so on. And this dream download, I feel like, has a lot to do with what we're seeing today. Okay, because this particular dream download, like I said, I'm reading straight from one of my dream journals. Okay, I may try to incorporate the receipts in this reading, okay, or in this video, but I specifically wrote down, and which, like I said, this was January 25th, 2023. Okay, this was the full wolf moon. Okay, and I made sure I wrote that down as well. All right, so in this particular dream, and if you follow me, you probably have seen me reference Magenta Skies, okay? And it's a reason behind that, okay? Because it has a lot to do with the dream download that I received, okay? And this dream was so clear and so vivid, it was crazy. All right, so Magenta Skies home, okay? So the telepathic communication that I was getting was home, okay? It says, in this particular dream, I was conversating with a being, okay? This being was dressed in a chrome-like suit with white slick back hair. It was like white grayish slick back hair. Okay, I'll say I came to maybe this being's like chest, okay, like maybe to the chest, okay. um we were having a conversation about them receiving my signal, okay, so yeah, and that they were being deployed, okay, so yeah, in this dream, they made it clear not once but multiple times um that they have, beings here, okay, they have beings here. They receive certain signals, okay, and when they receive certain signals, being that they receive, my signal or even other, star beings, they were coming, okay. So it says there was a huge transmitter in the middle of the land. So where they were, it was this huge box, like a huge, even the box was like magenta, okay, it was like darker, a little bit darker, I would say, than what the skies were. And it was sitting like directly in the midst of where they were, and it had lights on it. The box had a bunch of like lights on it, and signals for all the beings, okay, that they have here. And that's what the being told me, that on this box there were they basically were individual signals for all the beings that they have here on earth, okay. And when they told me they were being deployed, I seen the ships, okay. And then I teleported into a dome like building with floor to ceiling walls. So when I teleported into this building, they left. They got into their ships and they left. And and I was in this building and I felt just safe. I felt safe. I felt secure. And I remember just hopping into like this chair. And the chair had like arms on it or whatever it may be, and I was able to like twirl around like a little kid, okay? Um But they left. They got into these ships, and they were individual ships, not, it was only one being per ship, okay? And they left. All right. So with what we're seeing today, I was able to see like a video. I seen some video of like eyewitness accounts where people, like, residents, actual, not something that just came off of, the news or whatever, because I don't watch the news. But I seen actual video of people, filming them, coming in and out the ocean, filming them in the sky, disappearing into thin air, this, that, and the other. And when I seen one, it definitely looks like the one that I seen in my dream. Okay. And like I said, I didn't feel comfortable with sharing this information right off bat because, yeah, I just was told not to. Okay. Um, but it's definitely a dream that I will never ever forget. Like I said, it was extremely vivid. I remember the conversation. In order for me to write all this down, I had to remember the conversation like thoroughly. And yeah, they got into their crafts, okay. And this, like I said, this was January 25th, 2023. And it's just crazy to me because it's like almost December. Well, we're in December, but I wanted to say December 25th. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of I don't know. It's just giving real synchronicity type vibes, okay? But I did split the deck on the Empress, so something could be significant here about an Empress energy. Um Venus, the planet Venus, hell, could definitely be significant. Okay, I'm getting that because I did pull my cards out to pull cards on this energy because, like I said, I didn't feel comfortable at first with sharing this. Okay, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy could be significant. I could be speaking to an Empress energy, okay, or someone could be like a mother figure or something like that. Like I said, planet Venus could definitely be significant. Okay, so I am going to take the Empress card out. The number 3 could definitely be significant as well, which talks about communication. So yeah, the third house talks about communication. And like I said, I received this communication when during this, this dream download. So we then have the Four of Pentacles, a lot of earth energy. Okay, so something could definitely be significant here about solid foundations. Okay, security could be significant. Capricorn energy could be significant as well. All right, the number 4 could be significant. We got 3 and 4. Okay, so 7, the Chariot. Okay, so yeah, something significant about, I'm getting like maybe someone's vessel. Okay, so like yeah, something about a vessel could definitely be significant. Free spirited at the bottom with the Page of Wands. Okay, so someone here could be very free spirited. Okay, a person who thinks outside the box could definitely be significant as well. Okay, we then have the 8 of Wands. So yeah, they were saying that the aircrafts move extremely fast. And from the videos that I've seen, also mothership. Something about a mothership with that Empress energy, I'm hearing my guides say. Okay, so something could be significant about a mothership, mother planet, something like that I'm picking up here. Okay, but they did say that the aircrafts move pretty fast. When I seen the video, they were moving quickly. Okay, like I said, it was like they were disappearing into thin air. They look like fireflies in the sky. Okay, they look like lightning bugs in the sky from the videos that I've seen. If I wouldn't have had this dream download back in January of last year, I would say, this is some sort of distraction. I wouldn't believe it. But I strongly feel like that my dream download that I had has a lot to do with this. This is why I've been putting emphasis and I've been talking about Magenta Skies. We didn't have the Six of Pentacles, Taurus energy, a lot of earth. We got earth and fire. Okay, so yeah, something significant here about fairness. I'm getting gifts as well. Some sort of balance is significant here when it pertains to this Empress energy. Okay, something about an Empress energy here. Equal give and take is significant as well. Okay, but I'm getting fairness. Like I keep hearing fairness, equality. Okay, something significant about that. There could be like some sort of celebration. Also, I also just heard home going. Okay, so something could be significant here about home going. Okay, as well. And then I have the Seven of Swords that popped out. So something could be significant here about some sort of home going when it pertains to maybe like someone who committed. Yeah, this okay. So I did just say fairness and equality. So yeah, I feel like there is some sort of change that is coming. Okay, yeah, I'm getting changes that's coming. This Seven of Swords energy is definitely being put to rest. Okay, that's what I'm picking up. Whatever this Seven of Swords energy or whatever this is that has been being done in order to gain some sort of wealth and or security, because this is falling right on top of the Four of Pentacles. Okay, I feel like something is being put to rest. Something is coming in fast. All right. We then have the Six of Cups. Okay, so something is significant here about some sort of like past. I'm getting like past life energy off of the Six of Cups energy. We got Scorpio energy. Okay, so something about a past life, maybe when it pertains to this Empress energy, this equal give and take, this fairness and this equality. So something about some sort of fairness due to some a past life. Okay, someone's childhood could be significant as well. Okay, so something could surround someone's childhood, someone who is free spirited. Okay, and I feel like yeah, this has a lot to do with what's going on. Okay, there could also with this income and this fast, this Eight of Swords, we do got, I mean, not the Eight of Swords, but the, somebody could be going to jail, but with this, Eight of Wands, something is significant about Five of Wands energy. So there could be like some sort of, because I know people, I've been seeing people talking about, you know, their safety and so forth and so on. I'm not feeling, like I said, when I had the dream download and my nose is itching, I felt safe and secure. Okay, safe and secure. I don't want to speak too much on that. Okay, but my guys is telling me not to. But something about yes, I just saw the Nine of Wands. Okay, but something about just you being protected. Okay, but something about star energy. Okay, then we have the Page of Cups. All right, yeah, curiosity. That's what, like, people are very curious about what's going on. This Eight of Wands is giving me like that aircraft energy, fast moving, speed. Okay, and people are very curious with this Page of Cups energy about what's going on. Okay, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio energy, water energy. Okay, trying to figure out what's going on. King of Pentacles could definitely be significant. Okay, something could definitely be significant here about a King of Pentacles. Magician energy could be significant also. Okay, Spirit, why am I saying the King of Pentacles with the Magician when it pertains to this download? Why am I receiving this? Why am I seeing it? What is the King of Pentacles to the Magician? Okay, so yeah, I was picking up, we have the Sun and we have the Queen of Pentacles. So Ra. Okay, so someone here could be like connected to Egyptian. Something could be significant about Egyptian lineage, extraterrestrial roots could definitely be significant as well. Okay, something significant about someone's bloodline. Something could be coming to the light when it pertains to someone's bloodline. All right, something significant. Someone could be going through a rebirth as well. Okay, something about you birthing something could definitely be significant. And I'm hearing where is that, A Whole New World? I just started hearing that song. I can't remember what that is from. I wish I could remember what is that. Is not, I don't want to say Pocahontas. Hold on, y'all, let me look at my phone. Because I don't want to What is the theme song, A Whole New World? What cartoon is that from? Let me see. Aladdin. Wow. I said Pocahontas. My goodness. So Aladdin is significant. Okay, so the movie Aladdin could definitely be significant. Okay, I'm picking that up. All right, magic carpet, genie energy could be significant as well. Okay, some sort of manifestation could be significant. Something about somebody's roots I'm picking up. Okay, self with that first house energy, so something about someone's self. Okay, appearances could be significant. We did have the King of Cups and we got the Hangman. Okay, and we got the something being put to rest or laid to rest is significant. Okay, I did mention that so something is significant. Something could be significant here about a King of Cups, a King of Cups energy. Okay, someone being enlightened or being enlightened to something could be significant. Why is the King of Cups in the Hangman his spirit? Okay, so Nine of Swords, so someone being in their head is significant. Okay, or someone who can't sleep, some sort of anxiety is significant here. Okay, when it pertains to this energy, something coming to light. I keep hearing something coming to light. Something coming to light. Maybe somebody does not want this. Somebody don't want this to come to light. Maybe it has something to do with your roots, or maybe somebody has anxiety. Maybe someone is anxious about this. Somebody could just be anxious. We got the Ten of Cups. Okay, so this goes back to like family, roots, money. We got 10, the Ten of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups. So something about family, roots, money, the Chariot. Okay, something could be significant. High Priestess energy. I don't know. And we got Four Swords again. Maybe something is coming. Maybe something is coming out about a family who tried to do something to a High Priestess energy for money. And this High Priestess energy has something about your bloodline. Okay, something about your bloodline is significant. And I'm saying 17 and 9. Yeah, the star. And y'all know that hermetess energy. Okay, 9D energy is significant. So we got judgment. Yeah, family is under judgment. We got the star that came out again, and we got the world. Yeah, something is about to be exposed about somebody's true identity, and it has a lot to do with this dream download that I received. Like I said, if I hadn't received that dream download, yes, it's going to cause a tower. It's going to cause a tower. Okay. If I hadn't received that particular dream download, like I said previously, I would feel like what's going on is a distraction. But being that I received it and now I'm seeing what's going on, it's not giving distraction for me. Okay. Also, Spirit is telling me to let you all know, careful of distractions. Okay, just trust your gut. Be careful of distractions, because there are some distractions playing out. I do feel like one of them is the healthcare situation. Okay, allegedly, I'm not going to say too much about that, but I do feel like that's one of them. Okay. Also, relationships. Okay, certain people that are tied into certain other people that are getting hemmed up for these sex trafficking scandals and stuff like that. Remember I said in another reading that I posted, a lot of propaganda, a lot of publicity stunts. Okay, those are distractions. Okay. What else, Spirit? What else? I'm not hearing nothing else at the moment. Um, I think that's it. Anything else, Spirit, when it pertains to this energy? High Priestess just popped out. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it for this download. Hope y'all enjoy this quick message, and I will talk to y'all in the next one.